How to change keyboard size on Oneplus. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your Oneplus phone. Then, in here, scroll down and click on System. After you click on System, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Language and Input at the top. In here, you'll find Keyboard Height Adjustment. Click on it, and there are only two options in your Oneplus device, which is raise and hide. In raise, the keyboard will be raised up from the bottom and the shortcut key will be displayed, and hide is the shortcut bar at the bottom of the keyboard will be hidden. Simply select the one you prefer and you're good to go. This is how to change keyboard size on Oneplus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.